categories. In fact, the magnitude 1 that we have here, the Blue Grotto, sometimes produces up to 60 million gallons a day. That's about 12% of the river water from that one spring. We have about 30 springs in total. Most of them pretty small. The 5 that we're seeing produce almost 3/4 of all the river water. Needs to say that's quite a lot. There's lots of that wash over here, that's the thing. And that naturally kind of begs the question, where's all that water coming from, right? Well, does anybody know? That is correct, yes. The Floridan Aquifer. That exact one. The Floridan Aquifer is one of the largest in the country. In fact, it's as big as Florida. Hence the name. About 100,000 square miles wide. And it's about 1,000 feet deep, at least in this part of Florida. That's where all this water was in this river. It was once rainwater and river water that seeped through our uniquely thin soil here in Florida and then collected there and was gradually heated up and pressurized by the Earth's crust. And then when it got to spring systems like this one, it got spouted out, kind of like hot water exiting a boiling tea kettle. And that's why this water is so consistently warm. Even in the coldest months of winter, it'll always be 72 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's why I'm sad to say there's no swimming here, or diving. Wildlife preserve. No, that's a luxury for the animals and the lawbreakers. Wink, wink. Ah, there's another anhinga there, another male. Bright silver wings.
And a turtle.
And a large turtle, yeah, another one of those sliders. This is what that baby slider we saw will look like when it grows up. It's gotta be at least a foot. And it seems to be doing what most reptiles do here during the day.
I see the turtle.
Yeah. I mean, you know, cold-blooded animals, they get their energy from the sun, so they need to spend a lot of time just lying around collecting energy and resting their peppers.
I saw the turtle.
You can almost think of the logs as recharge ports for them in that sense. In fact, around here, we call those logs shell stations. Now, is it just me, or is this boat anchored up? Because that is illegal.
Wait, what happened?
Let's go back and take a look, shall we? Well, this is about as far down the river as we're allowed to go today, but if you wanted, you could go another 300 miles. Because this flows into the Ocklawaha River, which flows into the St. Johns River, which flows into the Atlantic Ocean in Jacksonville.
What's that
And the
part?
St. Johns River is one of about 20 rivers of this country that flows north instead of south. And you're technically on it now.
What's
So,
the old dock? Is that a bandit?
Chief name out for the boat dock.
Wait, how far did we go?
What? They'll get back to me when they feel like it. And if you're wondering about that dock, that is actually a set from a 1950s show called Sea Hunt. Yeah, remember Sea Hunt?